Hello, in front of me I've got Genesis Thor 404. In this video I'll show you keyboard shortcuts. In the beginning, to use keyboard shortcuts located on the F1 to F12 buttons, you have to press FN button. Now F1 button enters the media player. Let me just lower the screen. Thanks to F2 button, you can decrease volume, F3 button increases volume, F4 button mutes the PC. F5 button locks the current window. F6 button skips backwards, F7 pauses and plays, and F8 skips to next video. Thanks to F9 you can go to your mail. F10 activates calculator. F11 disables and enables keyboard backlight, and F12 blocks the functional keys. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.